Hello student, in previous class we have discussed some basic things regarding mouse, and in today's class we will move on the functions of a mouse. So in the function of a mouse, first we have a clicking function. So when we press the left button of a mouse once and release it, that makes a click sound. This is called clicking. So a click is generally used to select an item on the monitor. So clicking, it means when we click the left button once and it produces a click sound, and we use this clicking for select any icon, any folder, any file in our computer. So now let's do its practical. So now I have opened. So now I want to select this downloads folder. So how can I select this download? First I move this mouse. First I move this mouse and press this left button of mouse. First we have to hover our pointer on any folder and press this button. So when I press this button, this select this particular folder. So now I select this folder, this folder. So this is the normal clicking of our mouse. And after that, there is another function which we call double clicking. So in the double clicking, what we do, let's first drag it to down of the side. So after, there is a double clicking. So pressing the left mouse button twice without stopping and releasing is called double clicking. When we click the left button two times without stopping and release it, it's called double clicking. So we use to double clicking to open any folder or any file. So move the pointer to the computer icon and double click on the left mouse button. The computer window will open. So now let's try this feature. Switch between the tabs and open our file explorer. So I have opened this file explorer. Now I select this folder, and if I want to open this folder, then I will double click on it. Take the pointer on the new folder and press this left button two times. So when I press this button two times, then I am able to open that folder. So this is the double clicking of our mouse. So after, there is a third function which is the right clicking. So in the right clicking, pressing and releasing the button, right mouse button once while show a list of commands on the monitor. So if we want to check the properties of any file or any folder, then we move our mouse pointer on that file and press the right button of our mouse, and it will show some list of commands on the monitor. So let's try this function. For trying this function, we have to open our desktop again and move your pointer on any folder and right click on it. When we right click, we find some commands and menus for particularly that folder. We can use these commands and uh, all the menus for that folder. So by this method, we right click on any folder. This is the right clicking function of our mouse. So now again switch between the tabs. I open visualizer, and the fourth function is the dragging. So to move an item or object by holding the left mouse button, to a new place on the screen is called the dragging. So when we move an item or object by holding the left mouse button to a new place on the screen, that is called dragging. So dragging means hold something and move it from one place to another place. So how we can do this? Place the pointer over any item screen, press and hold down the left mouse button. Now move the pointer to that place where you want to carry that file or folder. So now close our visualizer. Let's moving or drag that file to the new place. So how we can drag? First you have to select any icon and hold down. We have to hold this left button for some time, for few time, because by holding that button we can move that icon or folder to any place. So now I drag this file and I can place it to any place. So this is called the dragging of our mouse. So these are the four functions of our mouse. First is the left clicking. After that there is the double clicking, and after the double clicking there is the right clicking and dragging. So these are the four main functions of our mouse. So by this method we can use our mouse for various things. Okay. So today's class is over now. Bye students.